Okay, you're going to have to excuse me. I'm a little bit sick right now, so I might sound kind of funny, and I don't have a camera man or woman. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to get your blog instantly ranked on Google. I'm not talking about, waiting the usual week or month or whatever it takes to get indexed. I'm talking instantly, and I'm going to show you what I mean. Check it out. Okay, right here, you could see that I did my blog post on this computer, how do I create my own blog with HTML. That's the post, and you can see I did it 8 minutes ago. Now check this out. I go over to Google, and I can see right here for the term, how do I create my own blog with HTML, we have almost 200 million sites competing for that term, and we can see that we are ranked already number, let me count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are number 6 right here. Check it out. And you can see that it was ranked 8 minutes ago. So I literally got that thing ranked instantly. And I'm going to show you exactly how you could do the same exact thing with your own sites. It's super easy. Takes about 6 minutes to set these sites up, and it's part of my new product that's coming out soon, Simple Blog Profits. I'm going to teach you how to make money with blogs super fast, get indexed in Google super fast, get free traffic, like this here is free traffic. As most of you know, this is the free stuff. These are the paid ones here. And sorry about my cold. So I am getting traffic right now instantly from my blog post, and I don't pay anything. And what I'm going to do is I am going to show you exactly how to do this for yourself. So sit tight. I'm going to turn on the big monitor back here, and I'm going to use this computer here, which you can also see my ranking on right there. You can see that one. This is 4 minutes it got ranked. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So here we go. Okay, so here we are live, checking out a blog post that I did about 2 hours ago. I would have made this video a little bit earlier, but the kids wanted to go to the Halloween store after school. So, nevertheless, we're on it now. How would you like to be able to put up one simple little blog post in a matter of seconds, or maybe a couple minutes if you're a slow typer, and be able to get top rankings in Google, Yahoo, MSN within just a few minutes? Well, that's exactly what my latest blog post did. In less than 2 minutes, I was ranked number 1 on Google for a very competitive keyword phrase. You could still see right here on Google, I ranked number 1 here, and it shows that Google just picked this up about 2 hours ago. That's about when I put the blog post up, and that's when we got ranked. And I'm already getting traffic, I'm already getting leads. There's several other ones I did as well. There's a post I did on AdSense, some other videos, things like that. If you want to check out my blog, unless you're on it right now, these videos are also posted on my blog. It's pcmoneymaking.com. And as you can see, this blog gets ranked really, really fast for the keyword terms I go for. I'm going to show you exactly how to do the same thing. And I've built a little blog checklist, if you will, right there. And basically there's 13 steps that I go through to get my blogs up, running, ranked, and getting traffic almost overnight. And that's the big problem that people have nowadays is, how do I get traffic without having to spend an arm and a leg for it? And how do I get traffic without dealing with pay-per-click? How to get my site indexed in Google really fast? All that good stuff. So I'm going to go over these 13 steps that you can do. Starting from the very basic, number 1 is to research and find a niche market. Now when you're going for this blog type stuff, you want to find a market that has tons of long tail keywords. That means, not like long gigantic phrases, but what you want is words that have less than 100,000 competing sites. So for example, if I go to Google here and I type in, let's say food, right? I'm going to see that it says results 1 to 10 of about 686 million. So that would be 686 million, which is way above our 100,000 competing ranking area. You want to be under the 100,000 to get ranked really, really fast. Okay, step number 2 is to strip out the long tail words. Make a list of all the words that you believe you can rank for. And I'll show you how to do this in some other videos. Number 3 is to get a keyword loaded domain name for your topic. So if it's a recipe site, you want to have a recipe type domain name, like marksfreerecipes.com or whatever it is. You want to have that main keyword in there. Number 4 is to get hosting with WordPress. I'll show you the easiest hosting below. You can get hosting there. It's like $7. They all have WordPress free. WordPress is a software you're going to use to create your blog. That's the software I use to create this blog. Really easy to set up, really easy to use. You don't even have to know HTML. You don't need to know how to build a website. Nothing like that, nothing complicated. Number 5 is to set up WordPress. You can set this up really easily. Actually, this video here, which is on my blog, it should be right below this video. But if it's not, you can find it just by searching for how to create a blog on my blog. Really easy to do. You could set WordPress up in a matter of seconds. I actually did a video where I set up a WordPress site. I bought a domain name, got hosting, and set up the WordPress site in a matter of 3 minutes. It's probably less than that, but I paused to get a cup of coffee or something like that. Okay, number 6 is to get a WordPress theme. We have hundreds of WordPress themes you can use for free in the Simple Sites members area that you get when you become a Simple Sites owner. We also have it in our Simple Blog Profits Club. You can find tons of WordPress themes free all over the internet. You can purchase them. You can create your own. Whatever you want to do, I got all the tips and tools here for you. All right. Number 7 is to add static profit centers. Now, static profit centers are like this. Basically, on my blog, I have these sides. You can see them on the side of this video as well, where I can have people enter their name and email. That's one of my profit centers because it builds a mailing list, which allows me to market to people later and make more money. But pardon me, I still have my cold. Down here, I have people can order the Simple Sites Big Profits program. You can also put like AdSense, affiliate offers, ClickBank books, whatever you want in these static profit centers. And you can add these by going into your text widgets. We'll get into all that later. Don't want to do it now, otherwise this video would be like 24 hours long. Next, number 8 is to post content with dynamic profit centers. That means you're going to go in and you're going to take all the long tail words that you found in step number 2, the ones with under 100,000 competing that you know you can rank for, and you're going to make blog posts on each one. And a blog post is basically, like this one here is a video blog post. This is like a video blog post. And in your video blog post, you could actually have, let's see here, this one here. See how it says, this is my video post here. And then you go down here and it says, click here to find Marcus's cool link. And this is what I call a dynamic profit center, where it's leading to something that's going to make me money, but it's related to that post. So it's different than your static ones that you find up here. It's more dynamic. It's about the post. So if I did a post about, how to get web hosting, then I would put a link to web hosting, which would be my profit center. Okay. Number 9 is to get inbound links. You want lots of different things pointing at your blog. You want you could even link your Twitter, your Facebook. You could do articles. You could do directory listings, all kinds of stuff. And we'll go over all this in detail in the other videos. We're just kind of giving you a feel for what's going on, make it easy for you. Number 10, post more content. Put more posts on your blog with more dynamic profit centers, all that good stuff. Number 11, get more inbound links. Number 12 is to build a following, make people like you, make them fill out your form to join your mailing list, get them to like your blog, want to come back, update it with content, all that good stuff. And number 13 is to promote your profit centers to them. So that is the basic rundown of how this system works and what I